What's up guys, I'm Jerry and in this video, I am going to do the unboxing of the Apple iPhone 4S. It comes in two colors, black and white. This is what the box of the iPhone 4S looks like. In the box, we get iPhone 4S, a 5-watt power adapter, 30-pin to USB cable, earphones and SIM ejection tool. In the box, we also get some paperwork and Apple stickers. Let's start with the design. The build quality of the iPhone 4S is pretty good. It does feel very premium when you hold it. The iPhone 4S weighs 140 grams, so it is quite heavy for its size, but due to that, it does feel very solid. The front and back panel is made up of glass. On the back, it has an 8-megapixel camera and next to the camera is the LED flash. In the center we have the Apple logo and below we have the iPhone logo and some FCC labels. On the top, you have a power button, microphone and headphone jack. The left side has volume controls and a silent mute switch. On the bottom, it has a speaker, 30-pin dock connector and microphone. The SIM card tray is located on the right side. The iPhone 4S uses a micro SIM card. On the front, it has a 3.5-inch display. Above the display, we have a front camera, earpiece, ambient light sensor and proximity sensor. Below the display, we have a home button. Let's start with the display. The iPhone 4S has a 3.5-inch display with a resolution of 960 by 640 pixels, which gives a pixel density of 326 ppi. Although the size of the display is very small, the quality is still pretty good. This display is quite clear and sharp, and colors are also very accurate. Because it is a very small phone, you can easily use this phone with one hand. Apple has also added oleophobic coating on the display so it doesn't attract many fingerprints. The iPhone 4S is powered by a dual-core Apple A5 chip. The graphics are also dual-core, which is PowerVR SGX 543 MP2. This same chip also powers the iPad 2 and iPad mini first generation. It has 512 MB RAM. The iPhone 4S was launched with iOS 5. It gets software updates up to iOS 9. Currently, it is running on iOS 9.3.6. Games like PUBG and Asphalt 9 are not compatible on this phone, but you can download and install most of the older versions of apps from the App Store. The iPhone 4S comes with an 8-megapixel f2.4 camera which takes okayish photos. The daylight photos are acceptable, but the noise level does increase in night shots. With iPhone 4S, you can record videos in 1080p 30 frames per second. You can also record time-lapse videos, but there is no option to record slow-motion videos. You can also take a panorama, live filters and HDR photos. The 1080p video quality is also not that bad. It also does digital video stabilization when recording video. Let's talk about the battery. The iPhone 4S comes with a 1432 mAh battery which lasts one full day on moderate usage. If you use your phone a lot, then you might need to charge this phone 2 times a day. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge itself. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0. iPhone 4S comes in 4 storage options that are 8, 16, 32, and 64 GB. Apple introduced Siri for the first time on iPhone 4S. Let me give you a quick demo. Hey Siri, what is the weather like in Toronto?
It's currently clear and 24 degrees in Toronto, Canada.
If your usage is basic like calling, messaging, or listening to music, then this is still a pretty good phone. And you can also use this as a secondary phone. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe for more videos.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold looking back. Mirror breaks, aftermath. When I hate, I attack.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything?
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving.